maybe just building on a little bit of what Tim said. On one hand, I think from Singapore's perspective at least, we are trying to grow the necessary talent that may be lacking in the industry to take the whole smart manufacturing journey forward. But on the other hand, I think it's also important to recognize that the skill sets of existing workforce would need to be upgraded, upskilled, in order for us to support such operations. So that is an area also where the Singapore government is actually putting quite a bit of emphasis in, because ultimately it's about process, technology, and people that will bring about the outcome. And therefore the people element, how do we ensure that our existing workforce is trained in time for technology adoption, or even in anticipation of some adoption in future, so that collectively they can optimize and bring about the necessary value, not just for the companies, but for the workforce as well. So I think that's an area where we are, you may have heard about the Skills Future series. We have one for advanced manufacturing where we are actually helping, putting in place modularized courses to help our workforce learn about building digital confidence in trying to be able to understand and leverage some of these digital technologies in the day-to-day operations. So some of these things were done in collaboration with companies as well, so that collectively we can help the workforce upgrade.